In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use overlays in Luminar Neo. Overlays are a creative way to add textures, light effects, borders, and artistic touches to your photos without permanently altering the original image. Think of an overlay as a separate image, like a light leak, bokeh, or a frame, that sits on top of your photo and blends with it to create a specific mood or style. Start by opening your photo in Luminar Neo and switching to the Edit workspace. On the left, you'll see the Layers panel. Click the plus icon to add an overlay. If you want to explore built-in options, you can choose from categories like flares, light leaks, stardust bokeh, and sparklers. Pick one that suits your image, and Luminar will place it as a new layer above your photo, ready to customize. If you have your own overlays, adding them is just as simple. Click the plus icon in the Layers panel. On Mac OS, choose Load Images. On Windows, click the plus button and browse to your overlay file in JPEG or PNG format. Your imported overlay will appear under My Images. Click it to apply it to your photo. If you've purchased overlays from the Luminar Marketplace, install them via Extras, then Marketplace, then Install. After that, you'll find them organized under Layers in the Purchased section. With your overlay added, it's time to fine-tune the look using layer properties. Opacity controls how transparent the overlay appears. Lowering it creates a more subtle result and helps the effect blend naturally with your base image. Blend mode changes how the overlay interacts with the pixels beneath it. Screen is great for light-based overlays like flares and leaks because it lets bright areas shine through while minimizing dark parts. Multiply can deepen textures and add richness to darker elements. Overlay and soft light enhance contrast and can add a gentle, stylized punch. Positioning matters too. Use the handles to resize the overlay so it fits your composition, and drag to place it where it complements your subject. Rotate or flip the overlay to match the direction of light or to balance your frame. Small adjustments here can make the effect feel intentional rather than distracting. As you refine, pay attention to the overall mood of the image. A lighter opacity and softer blend modes keep things natural, while stronger settings create bold, cinematic results. With a thoughtful choice of overlay and a few careful adjustments, you can transform a good photo into something truly expressive, all while keeping your original image intact.